In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use webhook triggers in Slack automations. To get started, open Slack on your desktop. Once you're inside your workspace, look to the top left corner and click your workspace name. From that menu, choose Tools and then click Workflow Builder. This is where Slack lets you create automations that can save time and help different tools communicate with your workspace more efficiently. When Workflow Builder opens, go to the top right corner and click Create Workflow. This starts a brand new automation from scratch. Slack will then ask how you want the workflow to begin, and for this setup, you'll choose from a webhook. A webhook trigger allows an external app or service to send information directly into Slack, which makes it a great option for notifications, form submissions, alerts, and other automated updates. After selecting the webhook trigger, click Setup Variables. This is where you define the external data that Slack should expect to receive. For example, you might create variables for things like a name, an email address, or other details coming from another system. Setting up variables properly is important because these are the pieces of information you'll be able to use later in your workflow. Once your variables are ready, click Save. Next, click Add Step to choose what the workflow should do after the webhook is triggered. One common action is sending a message to a specific Slack channel. This is useful when you want incoming data from another app to automatically appear in a team channel without anyone needing to post it manually. Now draft the message you want Slack to send. As you write it, insert the custom variables you created so the message can include the incoming information dynamically. This makes the automation much more useful because each message can reflect the exact data sent by the external tool. When your message looks the way you want, click Save. Once everything is set up, go to the top right corner and click Publish. Publishing makes your workflow live and generates a unique webhook URL. Copy that URL carefully because this is the connection point your external application will use to trigger the workflow. Finally, paste the webhook URL into your external application and run a test to make sure the trigger works correctly. If everything is configured properly, the data from that external tool should activate your Slack workflow and complete the integration. That's all it takes to connect external tools to Slack using webhooks. Give it a try, and thanks for watching.